How to make and save a recording. The SANAKO Study Recorder uses a professional 2-track recording system designed for modern foreign languages. This facility allows the teacher to insert their comments into a student's recording for assessment purposes without deleting any of their work. This voice insert facility is covered in a later video. To record yourself speaking, simply click on the red button. The tooltip will give the instruction, "Speak." You can then speak for as long as required using the pause button if necessary. To save your work, simply click Stop. Click on the file icon, come down to use Save or Save As, select the file save area on your network and give the recording a name and then click Save. The default file format is MP3, but others are also available.